The other thing I just asked you to use it up, you got it.
Folks, she's finally getting to open her last one. No, she's actually got two. So we'll just be 10 more minutes. No, 15 minutes.
Chris picked him out too. I've been wanting silverware and I got me some. Oh, look.
Listen,
But every always do. Bubby goes and hides them or something. All the way does.
Throw them in the garbage.
Hey, Bub, you ain't eating them, are you?
Yeah, he's doing something. When he used to work and be gone, Faith or Erica, a lot of times, she'd go in his room, she'd say,
Feel like that's where you just got that bag there.
Okay, tell your stories just a little bit later. I'm trying to film you opening your presents.
Erica, that's yours.
You're the one that I said I was just agreeing with him.
Yeah. See,
So
she did
this is
this.
from who?
Me and Rick.
Is
Yeah,
that
she
not?
does that a lot.
Yeah, is that not? You don't know what
Yeah,
you're talking
I
about.
like
Hush.
that.
I love
Love
the colors.
lipstick.
Yeah.
Yes, look, Erica.
Yeah,
Oh,
see,
it's that.
I'm not saying it's a lip party,
Your body.
so I'm holding myself back.
Erica's response.
I understand. Chris, I understand what you mean. I don't feel like that. I know you do care. So that was not the reason I did that. I just say that because I don't really know what.
That's Mia Woe over there in the corner.
Do I just say?
Some people call her Mia Woe, others call her Faithy, but her real name is Faith.
And this is from Yancy?
Yeah.
I have to censor myself.
Ricky wrapped that one. That's what's got buttons.
Ricky Raccoon. Hush, Brittany.
I
Man.
used it for my
This
presents
is
too.
pulled back.
I mean, good.
Some more, please.
Oh
They come in
no.
handy,
This
these
is
boxes.
pulled back.
Shot, she looked at me when I told her I'm messing with you.
I know you are.
Does your daddy do you that way?
He
Does
does.
he?
We can take some of those and give them my boss at work.
I need your knife.
What, Jeremy?
The assurance wipes. I think's what he's talking about.
Oh, I thought those were tampons.
Jeremy! Man! I'm gonna whoop him here.
No, I
Now look, that's like a razor blade.
said at work.
I'm just telling you, it's like a razor blade.
Wipe yourself down there.
I don't give my knife to people very much anymore because it's like a razor blade. Ooh, yeah, keep the baby away from her.
You see a box like that, I thought you was
Yeah, let me have it back when you get. Yeah, thing is sharp. Here, tape Cindy for.
That could be. Chances are.
It's not very good quality, but
No, I know.
I just see an orange box in a grocery
Do
bag.
it for a little while. What you got, Sandy?
She gets to it.
Oh, roosters. They want some rooster stuff now.
Yeah, that is the one I grabbed. It's a rooster, folks. Salt. Shaker. Thank you.
Is this for napkins? Napkin
That's the napkin. Hold it up. He's videoing. Turn it this way. He's videoing.
Where's the other one?
Thank you.
It's down in here.
What is that right there on the end? Oh, that's the bolt. Hold it together.
Yeah.
I wonder what that was. Ricky, I'm scared this time will hit your face.
Oh, really?
pretty.
The napkins go to
The other
the
one I got,
middle.
don't have the napkins.
Oh man, this is good.
Ain't that cute? You know we got that. We got that at a yard sale
I found
in
it.
Barberville. She had stuff sitting out there. She had jewelry boxes that were hand carved from some people in prison. Prison people had made them. They were
Prisoners?
No, I'm sure she should have seen them. They were beautiful.
Joseph, well, this is not on your back. Or no?
That's how come me to remember that.
All right, who's after me?
All right, I can get stopped now.
It's the germs, Brittany.